Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2020 Yamaha YZ450F. This dirt bike will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you. And then I'm going to try and fire it up today, but this thing is extremely loud, so it probably won't run real long. So, front tire, good shape, plenty of miles left on that. Comes with a hole shot device. It's got a sticker kit on it. Skid plate. Henson clutch cover. Seat cover. You know, as far as a dirt bike goes, it's got some scuffs, it's got some scratches. This is probably the worst part, but it's not through the fender, it's just through the graphics kit. Rear tire as well, good shape, plenty of miles, plenty of time left on that from the looks of it. So the comes with a upgraded lightweight fly sprocket. Now we believe that the front and rear suspension has been upgraded, but we don't have anything that tells us what was done or who did it or anything like that. So electric start, mode LC, I'm going to assume that's launch control. Alright, here it goes. Oh, that's not nearly as bad as I expected. This 2020 Yamaha YZ450F will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.